Home buyers, how you doing? Do you know how changing mortgage rates affecting you? Is it good, bad, or ugly? Let's find out the Clint Eastwood style. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate right now bouncing between 5.75 and 7.25 this year. If you have been confused about whether to buy a home or not, it's helpful to understand exactly how a 1%, even a 1% or half a percent mortgage rate change affects your purchasing power. Let me give you a relationship between mortgage rates and a typical monthly mortgage payment. Let's say your loan amount is around 700,000, which is very typical in our New York City market. At 6% rate with a 700,000 loan amount, principal and interest only payment comes out to 4,196. And at 7%, with the same loan amount at 700,000, that payment becomes $4,657. That's a $461 difference, and that's the savings lost every month just because 1% interest rate higher. Now look at the total interest that you're going to pay on 7%. That's almost $1 million, $976,000 only on interest, plus the principal you're going to pay on 30 years. But if your rate is just 1% lower, which is at 6%, then you pay almost $200,000. To be on the exact side, would be $175,000 less. So that's $200,000 almost saving just because of the 1% interest rate change. So even a half percent change can have a big impact on your monthly payment. And since rates have been moving between 6% and 7% for a while, you can see how it impacts your purchasing power as rates go down. What does that mean for you? You may be hoping and praying to God to put your home buying plans on hold and hoping that rates will someday come down, but that can be sometimes very risky. No one knows for sure where rates will go from here, and trying to time them would be really tough or maybe non-beneficial for you. There is a saying going in real estate: don't wait to buy a house. Buy a house, then wait. It's going to go up and up and up. That's why it's critical to seek help on your expert real estate and mortgage advisors to explore your mortgage options, understand what impacts mortgage rates, and how to plan your home buying budget around today's crazy rates, up and down turbulence. Your mortgage and real estate advisors will always be able to offer you advice to your specific situations and goals, so you have that what it needs to take to make an informed decision. Here is the bottom line: your ability to buy a home could be impacted by changing mortgage rates. And if you are thinking about making a move, let's connect so you have a strong plan in place. Keep an eye on my next video, friends. Keep educating yourself so that you can be a smart home buyer or a smart home seller. As always, be well.